Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change A4 paper to letter size in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now you want to change the A4 paper size to letter. At first, zoom out the sheet. We can see here the page size ratio. Now we go to the page layout option and select the size option. We can see here selected the size A4. You want to change the size later, select the letter size, and we can see the size is automatically changed. We want to sure the size is changed, go to the file menu, select the print option and check the preview. We can see here the size is letter. You want to print this file, click this print option. Now we can see we change A4 paper size to letter size easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.